Hi guys, this is Sman Maniche and this is about how to track your location using Google Maps. First, in the Android Studio, first open a new project and create an activity that is a map activity. Okay, after you creating a map activity, you have to link this application, the Android application with the Google services. For that, we have to need an API key. So to generate an API key, you have to go to the Google console.developer.google. From there, you have to create a new project and then you have to enable an API. And you have to copy that API and you have to paste it in the Google Maps API.xml here. And you have to paste the API key here, and it will be automatically updated in the metadata area also in the Android manifest. You can see the same API key has been reflected here in Android value. So this will be, so if without this API key you are unable to use the Google Maps fragment in our application. So this will create a link between the our application and Google services, provide us the Google services. Now when you see in the now we'll see about our how the program or how the code being executed to find our track our current location. We created a object for Google Map. The Google Map is actually the Google Map is a class that is used for creating this map APIs. This is used to interact with the map. So what we are creating an object for that, so that we can interact with the Google to interact with the geographic map. And location manager is used for all type of locations. So by all geographical locations, so pointing out that locations and other stuffs are used through location manager. It will manage all the locations. And you can see support map fragment is just we are creating a map fragment, that is this Google Maps, the view is a map, it's a fragment, that is a map fragment. So maps are viewed in that fragment, so we are just getting that support fragment manager to find that fragment or that ID map. These are automatically, these codes are automatically written whenever we are creating a map activity. And map fragment or get map async also will be automatically invoked. Written location manager dot, here we are getting a location service. So based on this location service only we are going to pinpoint our location. So this is used to manage with all type of locations. So we are dealing with locations to track some locations or to go to a specific location, we will use this location service. So we are getting that system service using location manager, and we are typecasting it to location manager. Map fragment dot get map async will be calling on map ready function. Whenever this is get execute, this on map ready function will be executed, and this object, the current object, is passed to the thing. And we are taking it to the mmap, that object already created, and we are just toasting it to find which function is invoked. To find our current location, we have to use either GPS provider or network providers. So in our program, in my program, I'm using network provider. First I'm checking whether the network provider is enabled or not, using is provider enabled, and I'm also toasting it. Then I'm request location updates. Whenever there is a location update, the on location change listener has to be called. So there has to be 4 arguments has to be passed for this. You can see string provider, long min time, float mini distance, and location listener. Here the string provider is which type of provider. Here I am using network provider, so I am giving location manager or network provider. And min time is minimum time between the location change. The minimum time between the location change is what I provided is 0. The minimum distance needed for the location change is also 0. And this is the current object I am passing for that location listener. When this thing is on location changed, the method will be called, and I am also toasting it. And I'm using geocoder. The geocoder method is used to normally used to get our locations. When you see the geocoder method, when you see the documentation of the geocoder method, this is handling geocoding. Geocoding is the process of transforming a street address or other destination location to a latitude. So to get some location into a latitude or longitude, we use geocoder method. and the object, that is the location object, that is passed from the request location update. Using that we are getting get latitude. The get latitude method is used to get the latitude of our the location and get longitude to the get the longitude of the locations. And if the return type is double, and using lat lang is the latitude and longitude function. Normally this when you see the documentation, it is normally used to store the latitude and longitude combined value, the combined of latitude and longitude to pinpoint a specific location. And we are also having a list of specific data, that is a temporary variable and string data. Using geocode.get from location, so this will get from location. Get location from location means when we specify, when we input two parameters, that is latitude and longitude, it will get all the locations associated with it, address of that location. So these addresses are stored in the list, address list here. And what we are doing means we are already having the string string object, that is data, and we are getting address.get of 0. Get of 0 means it specifies the first address that is returned, and get locality specifies the specific locality area, and address.get of 0 get subadmin area specifies the state name, and address of get of 0 admin area. This one get subadmin area is the district and get admin area is the state, and get country name gives the name of the country, and get postal code gives the code, exact postal code of that address we are stored in the data. And we are add marker is normally used to add a marker in that location. So this add marker, we are creating a new marker options dot position. So in this position we are passing the lat lang, the object that we have created before, by passing the latitude and longitude of the current position. And title is what is the address we have fetched, that is title of data that we have fetched. And move camera will move the camera from the already present. We might have been moved from looking on some other area, so move camera method will move that camera to the specific marker location. Now currently we are there. So that's all about the code that I have created. Now we'll see how the application or Android app works in the phone. I'm opening the visor and I'm going to the created track location function, that is map. I'm clicking on the map. You can see now the map is getting loaded. First map is loading is there, then network provider is being displayed and location change will be shown. These are the tools that I already created, and you can see now my current location, that is now I'm in currently in Cornell University. And you can see first the get locality is getting Cornell Nagar, and get subadmin area is getting Coimbatore, and get admin area is getting Tamil Nadu, and get country name is India, and get postal code is this one. So this is the title that we have set using the marker, and this is the marker. You can see this is the marker and this is the title that we have set, and the camera is moved to this location since we are using move camera, otherwise it will not be moved. You can see for every 1 minute or 1 minute the location change will be already invoked. So this can, by viewing this we can view the distance. If you are moving for a specific distance, this location will be moving. You can see the location change already coming and coming. That's all about my app. Thanks for watching.